I was a bit early. First, we have to. Where is my risk disclaimer? Man, I fucked it up. There we go. See you in a while. There we are again. And right now, after the disclaimer. So basically, today we started a bit earlier due to the fact what price action is doing. So, okay, let's start. So basically, we are in a range and we have news at 8:30. So basically, in around 10 minutes, 11 minutes. And those are important news. Let me see. Forex Factory. Come on, faster. There we go. We have GDP and unemployment claims as well as GDP price index. And yeah, then at 10 a.m. pending home sales, but they're not so important. Though we will concentrate on GDP and unemployment claims right now. And I do think we will go higher in or after 8:30. And if so, if we reach this level here and if we take out the London range somehow to the upside, I will take a damn short, man. I will go into short. I will not wait anymore any much to let price give me something different. Cause there we go. Let's start. Several reasons here. We have on the weekly, let's start on the monthly chart, although there is not that much, but we have the midpoint of this, which we haven't reached yet. So I do think we will reach it now. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but throughout this month. And I think we'll close somewhere there, to be honest. I mean, this month is only this week, isn't it? I'm not sure. I don't know. Who cares anyway? So, let's see, days 31. Yeah, Monday is still a month in this, still a day in this month. So we will see. We will see. And today we reached the conquer encouragement of this gap here, the daily gap from the Friday to Monday this week, and we reached the conquer encouragement here, and we jumped a bit back into our 4 hour range. I will come to that in a while. And I do think we will go higher. I do think we will go, maybe we will reach the conquer encouragement of this week here before we go lower, because this would also be or a bit above the conquer encouragement of our fair value gap here, which would be this level here, which we already reached. Yeah, anyway, I do think we will go back into the range a bit before we smash down lower. I'm absolutely bearish today, as I was yesterday. Yesterday I wasn't able to catch the short, which was a bit disappointing, but it's fine. It's okay. We have to live with that. So let's jump to the 4-hour chart. Let me extend the levels in time so you guys know what I'm talking about here. We just need that. We don't need those, I guess. So basically, this is the beginning of this fair value gap here, just for you to have it as a level. Um, we could probably reach up to here, but I don't think that. I really don't think that. I do think we will reach up into this fair value gap here and fall short of it. What I could imagine is that we will reach the 50% level, which is in fact the start of this fair value gap here, and then fall short of it. Uh, but I will look for shorts already earlier. You will see it in the 15 on the 15-minute chart. There we go. Mm, hold on. Let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. That's way better. There we go. Because you see the 4-hour chart. No, keep your eyes on the 4-hour chart as well on the 50-minute chart. We have this wonderful buy side here. I mean, although it's taken out already here, like this high here was already taken out with those wicks here, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful buy side, and I do not think those were enough. So I do think we will reach above here, and if as soon as we reach above here, which is also the 4-hour conquer encouragement of this week here, I will look for shorts. I will look for some signals that price is giving me the sign that it wants to go lower. Yeah. So basically, I don't need price to reach up there. 100 levels below it is already enough. But let's see. It depends on how bullish price will be. So, yeah, we get a 50-minute chart here. Now with the levels we need, which is the London range high and the Asian range high, also as well as the London range low and the Asian range low. And the high I mentioned before, which is this one here, like the buy side of the 50-minute chart, is, can you see it even? Yeah, right now, is in fact the last week high is also the 4-hour conquer encouragement of the wick. Like, let's drag this up here. Can you see this? Oh, come on. There we go. And now this one up here. Oh, come on. There we, it should be possible, man. Why isn't that? There we go. Is it a 4 or no? That's 1 minute. There we go. Oh. Oh no, I messed it up. What the fuck? There we go. Okay, so we have the 4-hour. Let's put it that way. There we go. We have the 4-hour conquer encouragement. You see it on the 50-minute chart on the left, where my cursor is, and on the right, the 4-hour chart. Like the 4-hour conquer encouragement of this wick back here is also the last week high. So we have a cluster here, and I do think we will take this out before we go lower. And yeah, 830 basically is a perfect level to do so. So let's see how price will do. 1 minute chart isn't so important yet to me. There we go. Let's stick to the 50-minute chart for a while, as long as we don't take out these levels here. And yeah, let's see what price gives us in the 50-minute chart. Meanwhile, I will do my journal here. I will write my stuff down while you watch. So I will be quiet within the next minutes. Let's see. Where do we even started? Like we had this huge up gap down here. Mm, how much is this in terms of points? We have 20,090 and 20,046, which is basically 44 points. So we had an up run inside of London. The whole London range was basically a run higher until we reached the daily high of the 19th of March. And from there on, we consolidated until I would say, the first quarter of London. And from there on, we have traded lower to the OT. But both of these levels, like the Asian range low as well as the London range low, and as well as the Asian range high and the London range high, both are still intact. So there's also a liquidity pool above and below them. So we have 8:30 now, news release. Price is in fact going a bit higher, but not that much. Let's see. 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 Maybe the news hadn't that much of an impact on price. I mean, we go a bit higher, but that's nothing to really talk about. Like nothing really crazy here. Hold on, I will do the. Oh, by the way, I forgot yesterday in my journal to mention the divergence we had. I just opened them right now and I was like, wait a minute, I wanted yesterday to mention the divergence in my journaling as well. Wait a minute. So basically, I don't know if I should think dollar goes higher. We will see. Oh, that's a nice run here. I hope we will go higher. But I feel like we maybe just reached this one at 9:30. It seems like we're not willing to go there before, but if we do so, that would be pretty cool. Let's see. Let's see what we want to do. What we wanna do, 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 die, do, die. Oh man. So I expected way more reaction here, but Price wasn't able somehow. So I do think we will become we will get the action on the opening or after the opening due to the fact that we haven't made it yet. I'll grab something to eat here. I don't give a fuck if I shouldn't. Oh shit, not my journal. Fucking apple pie. That's fucking delicious. It would be pretty funny if we would take out the high in the 850 to 910 macro. I wouldn't expect that, but I'm also not so familiar with the macro itself on like the 850 to 910 macro. So could be, would be nice. I fucking love apple pie. And because one piece isn't enough, we eat two. That was too hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. God damn, that was hot. Oh, let's cool down my throat a bit. Oh man, that was crazy. But it's so good. This is so good. Perfect. I was muted. Unfortunately, I have no coffee left, but it is what it is. Mm. I really do think we will reach this level and the 850 to 10 to 910 macro. I I don't think we will. Or let's put it this way: I don't. I can't imagine. I cannot imagine that we will reach this level after the macro, because we already pushed a bit higher, right? So 9 o'clock usually already gives some measure of of a certain direction. It's not the direction, but it's a certain direction. Wobbin up, been thing, wobbin up, been thing, wobbin up, been up. That's the 8:30 open. Okay, let's go. By the way, oh shit. By the way, it's my wallpaper. Oh, I fucking love it. Can you see this? Oh, what is it doing? No. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty stupid. This one, can you see it? I think you can't. Probably. Rip. No. Widescreen is playing around here, but maybe if I make it brighter, there we go. Oh, what's that? There. I love this wallpaper. This is fucking beautiful. My mind, my mind 24/7. What is Price doing? Oh, you're going the wrong direction. Maybe I'll take a piss. I have to. I have to. I'm just a human. I'm just a human. I'm just a human being. I'm just a human being. Da 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 da. Some letters here, some letters there. You don't care. Let's clean my desk a bit here. Yeah, perfect. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. So let's see what price will give us today. Oh yeah. So basically, well, we want some action here. Bring Sully up, bring price up, bring price down. Bring price up, bring price down. Lift and squat, got it here to ground. What's his name again? It's Powell. It's like old Miss Powell that and gone left me here to weep and moan. Bring price up, bring price down. That could be the new song. Bring price up, bring price down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Old Mr. Powell, dead and gone. Left me here to weep and moan. Bring price up, bring price down. Lift and squat, gotta hear the drowned. That was wrong. Old Mr. Powell, dead and gone. Left me here to weep and moan. We should make a song out of this. Bring price up, bring price down, lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Oh no, it's even better. Bring Sally. Oh no, that's wrong. Bring price up, bring price down, short and long, gotta tear the ground. So we make a song here. Bring Sally. Now that's wrong again, man. I get it always wrong. Bring price up, bring price down, lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. But that's with short and long. It's like bring price up, bring price down, short and long, gotta tear the ground. Old Mr. Powell, dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring price up, bring price down, short and long, gotta tear the ground. Old Mr. Powell, dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Can somebody make a song out of this? I guess we need a lot of what's the program called where stars make their voice more beautiful? It's oh man, we need more of uh I don't know how it's called. I don't know how it's called. I like that. Bring price up, bring price down. Short and long, gotta tear the ground. Old Mr. Powell, dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. What the fuck? There we go. We enter in 20 seconds the macro. Oh man. Sometimes, sometimes I got that feeling that I'm a bit. Da, 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 da. So, oh, we should get some entry here. It's pretty quiet. Ugh. Yeah, I will be back in a few seconds, 1 minute or something around that, because I have to leave the room for a second. Well, I have to check. I have to check something real quick. Give me a second. Oh no. That would be too funny. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a bit. Oh my God. Why am I so? Let's see. We good. We fine. We good. We fine. We good. We fine. We good. We fine. So we need a remake of this song, I guess. I love it. Bring price up, bring price down. Short and long, gotta tear the ground. Old Mr. Powell's dead and gone, left me here too short and long. Yeah, anyway, anyhow, price isn't doing so much. Ah, that's so annoying. We need more action here. So, hmm. We need some hard prices here. We want price to go up a bit. Come on, give me some hard prices to go short here. I want higher prices. We basically have nothing here. We have a divergence, but it's only on Dow, so it's really not that much important. Where's my water? Oh my gosh, my throat. What was that? That's kind of strange. Anyway, anyhow. I'm sorry, I muted too late. So let's see what 9 a.m. delivers us. I would really like to see some higher price action. Now, what I don't like to see, I want price to leave the London range low and the Asian range low, as well as the last day low open, and to take this out after we took out the buy side, so we can aim for lower prices. We don't talk about much in terms of points here, because if we take out the high, or even let's say this high, let's aim for the lowest buy side we wanna um, violate here, which would be this one. So I do think we will go higher, and I don't know. Let's take the best case, because we don't know where the short will form. But even in the best case, that's only around, it's 140 to, that's 140 points in total, but like depending on price action, my take profit will be somewhere here or here. It will not be on point 20k. That will be my terminus. Like I will leave a runner, and this one will be probably on the last day low. But the DAW. Man, today I feel wild. Today I feel wild. Maybe I really go with the NQ, not with the micros. Um, let's see. Let's put this one on normal NQ. Come on, NQ1, so we could take it here, but let's do not make the 15. Let's make the 5. Um, should be good. That should be okay. That should be okay. So we can. I hope I don't make any mistake. I hope I don't go in with 4 lots. Let's just check something. Let's just check something. How many? Oh, I have to log in. Oh no, good that I saw it there. Da, 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 da. There we go. Okay. So we are logged in. We are locked in and we are locked in. So let's see, where can I trade? There we go. Let's make a limit. Let's make my. Holy moly, that is fast. Oh my God, that is a lot. I will be back in a bit. I have to catch the dog. I catched him. Can you see him, by the way? I don't know. I don't think so. He's there. Ah! Ah! He's a horse. You can't see him, right? Unfortunately. Hey, come on. Let it go. Let it go. This dog is driving me nuts. He's driving me nuts. Now he's crying again all the time. Anyway, we have 9:10 now, so we near the opening, and I do hope we will get some entry now. But let's see. Let's see. So I really hope we will go above this buy side here, but I don't know. And if we do so, I want to take a short for sure. But I really expected more from 8:30. Like that looks like a good up move, but it's not. In fact, it's 30 points, I guess. Yeah, it's around 30 points. I hope that's not all, because I want to see a measure of buy side being taken out. So basically, what I want to see is price. There we go. Price going above this buy side here, dipping into the fair value gap here. And the level of the 4-hour, can you see it that way? Let me adjust it a bit. There we go. The level of the 4-hour CE, like this level where my cursor is right now, is also the last week's high, which could go in tandem with taking out this buy side here, going a bit higher, then failing to close above this and smash lower to take out the London range, Asian range row, and the last day low. Basically, that's my idea. And all this is within the new week opening gap. So it seems good, but we are not allowed to go down first. Like if we take out the London range, Asian range, or last day low, then I would have to rethink my narrative. But if not, that would be cool. Let's see. So we're right now 15 minutes before the opening, but we consolidate. Adjust this so it's a bit more beautiful. So I don't want to see price going below this level here. I would prefer to go higher. Hold on. Let's see, because we kind of fell short from the daily high of the 20th of March. I do not hope that was the um I I do not hope that this was the or a strong resistance here. Or strong enough to push us really down. So how many points are this? Or how many points would it be? How many points would it be for us to have a stop loss if we become our end, if we get our entry somewhere, let's say here, and below this one, so here it's 140 to 160, it's 20, it should be 400 bucks, right? Um, like stop loss, this is 53 to 90. It's 7? No, wait, hold on. How much? It's 53, 30. How much is this 50, 30? Yeah, it would be 4 to 600 bucks. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's like 400 would be okay because 400 would be within my daily loss limit of 1%. But 500, 600 would be too much. So let's see what price gives us here. But right now we go lower, and I don't want to see this. But I mean, it's permissible as long as we don't take the London range out. And if we take the London range out, it's also depending how we move forward from there, because we also got the Asian range low, the last day low, and yeah. But my hope is that we go at 930 higher, reach the Asian range high, and then fall. Then we fell short. But let's see, let's see, because right now it looks pretty heavy. Let's see. Let's see. But I will do it different. I will put here also trading buy and sell buttons. Come on. Yeah, and so I can control it over those terminals here and go short or long over there so I don't make any mistake with what chart is selected. If I get an entry, because right now price looks pretty heavy. We still got 10 minutes left for the opening, so it could just go lower and then go higher. And I'm not sure if I like it would be if we go lower. What would be the nice thing about it if we take out some measure of a sell side here? Would be that we have our opening range gap higher, so that means we could go in there immediately after we open to catch the up move and or towards the opening range gap high, what it will be. But I don't know. Due to the fact that my overall bias for today is bearish, I wouldn't like it to go long. But yeah, maybe I catch the up move and then I go short in the macro after it. But I don't know. This is a really nice consolidation here. But we're a bit too heavy for right now. Or but it's a bit early to be that heavy right now. I don't know. Let's see. I hope we just turn. I hope we just turn. Like best case would be if we turn higher um, before we take out this low. Hold on. So we have 7 minutes. No, we have 6 minutes left. And I hope we will not take the low out, but for now, it looks good. It truly looks good. Maybe I shouldn't have said it. I shouldn't have said that. That's right, I guess. XY is just dealing higher. And oh, nice. No, 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 nice. That would be. Oh, I hope we don't make a divergence here. I hope we do make a divergence here. That would be pretty cool. Maybe I do take a long. Maybe I do take a long. If we don't take, yeah, if we don't take out, which one is it? It's the 725 one. It's this one. If we don't take out this low at the opening and we stick to the, yeah, okay, it took it out. So it's not a thing anymore. It's not a thing anymore. So at least I will not consider going long here. I will stick to it to go short. Hmm. Hmm. I really hope price will not take out the London range though. I really do hope that, because that would mix up my entire bias for today a bit. That would be pretty sad. That would be sad. So let's put it in purple. Okay, there we go. We haven't took it out yet, but oh man, we're so close to take it out. I do think we will wick below. Oh, that's so unfortunate, really. Hold on. So let's see what price has for us. So we took out the London range as well as the Asian range. That's pretty fucked up. So If we take out the last day low as well, um, I will consider going along. We have half minute, like 30 seconds, half a minute left to the opening, and let's see. We do in fact go higher. Oh shit! There we go. And if we make a breaker now, go higher and touch this one, I will go long on the um, let's see how price is reacting here and what it gives us. But let's put a let's lose that. Make it this way. And now, our stop loss is here. 500. That's a bit much. Let's see. I would prefer to see price. I take that. I take that, and I go out at the. Here will be my terminus. Like here. That's I gotta buy, so I need a sell limit. There we go. That was a fast one. And we made, can I, we made $405. Was a quick one so far, but just for the opening range, not my usual pattern. So as soon as it gives me my normal pattern, I will enter there. But this was beautiful. Like this was really beautiful delivered. We had a low, we had a high, we had a lower low. Then it's kind of a breaker, and had we touched the midpoint of our opening gap. So everything aligned here, and would be pretty cool if we go to the last day low right now. Go through it, and if it gives me some sign of a reversal, and we catch the high beautifully, beautiful. So we stepped through the um, last day low, and now it's depending how price is reacting here and what we're gonna do with it. But for now, it looks really heavy. It looks really heavy. And depending on how we close here, I will consider going short. But this looks too tasty to me, though. This looks too good. This dog is driving me so nuts. So we made a pretty cool short. Long. It was a long. Oh damn. It was a long. And right now we touched last day low with it, and we weren't able to um, go above it. Right now we touched the low of the weekly. So let's see how price is doing when we hit the level. Like we're not in a macro yet, and that's why I don't really want to do anything right now. That's unbelievable. So we just go lower. We dealt right now below the new week opening gap. Is this our first presented one? I guess this is our first presented fair value gap here. Yeah, it is. Oops, so we dealt in it and now we fell short from it. So that's pretty good sign. So I do hope we retest the new week opening gap because that would be my entry here. Oh, basically this one here. So as soon as we enter this fair value gap, hold on, let me put it here. It's this one here, isn't it? Yeah. So as soon as we enter this one here, I would really consider going short with a stop loss above here. Oh, that's wrong. I don't want a buy limit. I want a sell limit. Here, there we go. And here with a stop loss here and take profit should be here. Let's see. No, that would be too brave. Taking this one here would be really brave. I don't want to do that. I don't want to risk. I don't want to put that much risk behind the trade. And we have this fair value gap here as well, like the first presented one. And yeah, we could deal into it after we or when we enter the macro. This one here was pretty clear, but to be honest, it's too risky for me to go short here because if we had this immense buy side, I was not ready to take that risk, to be honest. So it's good, it's okay. So I do hope price will go a bit higher until we go lower. So I do not hope we will just smash down lower here. I do hope we will get some kind of a reversal here. At least a retracement inside of this price leg here, and then falling short further. Let's see. We have to see how it is when we enter the macro. So this could be a level where we retrace back in. At least it seems like it. And it's all depending right now on how we act at the 950 um, macro. We could go a bit lower, build some kind of a breaker here, and then go higher. Um, then I would consider going long, but only if we retest this from the upside and then. But right now, I would like to see price going higher in the macro, either going here into this fair value gap or going into this level here. And then, yeah, going short after it. Let's see. I mean, you see it here. It's pretty beautiful, this buy side here. So we're 7 minutes before the macro. I do think we will take it out before the macro. And It looks like we will go lower and then higher, like going lower in the macro and then making some kind of a breaker to go higher. But let's see. Let's see. So we hit at the low of the new week opening gap, basically. And now it depends. We're 5 minutes before the macro. I will not do anything before the macro. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Like if we really touch this first presented fair value gap here, I would consider do something depending on how price is reacting. Like if we get a reaction away from it immediately after we touch it, then I would go short. But yeah, it is depending. If we enter into it, I would not do anything. And also, if we step through it and go above it, I would wait for the macro. There we go. We touched it. We entered it. So I'm really not interested for now to take something because I do think it really looks like we will go lower and then we will make this as a breaker and then go higher. So let's see. Hold on, give me a second. Oh no, I was muted the whole time. I was muted the whole fucking time. This is so stupid. This is unbelievable. Oh my gosh. I was muted this whole time. No, why? How? How can someone be so stupid to do that? And this dog in the background is crying all the time. Really, I don't know if you hear it, but it's so annoying. It's crazy. Fortunately, my mic has a real good noise canceling. So we have 30 seconds left until we um, get the news release. There we go. Let's see. So price in fact goes higher. What would be pretty cool to see if we would left a bit of the range open, of the opening range gap high, like not touch it, but leaving a bit of it open until we go lower. And yeah, that would be pretty cool to see. And then falling short away from it. Still, if we take this as an inversion and if we go lower, um, and as soon as we touch this from the downside, I would immediately go short. I would immediately go short. But we need some measure of heaviness here, otherwise we can't do shit. Let's see. We're still in the macro. It's 10-2, so let's see. This could be enough for in terms of a liquidity pool, but I do not think so. The London range, Asian range high, those are too clean still. But let's see. Let's see. This could be some kind of a breaker right now. Price does not seem to have the willingness to go lower, to be honest. Mm, Also, I wouldn't really expect it. I wouldn't really expect it because we're so strong right now. We have some buy side measurement here. I don't really expect price to go lower. So let's see. Let's see. Math isn't mathing right now because I do like the buy side and I do think we will take it up, but maybe we take out the buy side in the AM and in the PM we go lower. Because I do think we will go lower today. I don't think, or we could close positive because we have this large range, we have this large range lower from yesterday. So in fact, we could trade into it and close positive to continue our down move tomorrow. Let's see. Let's see, where's our open range gap is here. And this is like, it's 100 and that's 150. I got it. Yeah, I will make it, I will decide it from how price is reacting on the entering of the frivolity gap. If we enter there, I will consider going long. If we bounce away from it, if not, I will not really do anything. There we go. We entered right now. Would be my limit. Come on. Yeah, this would be my limit then. No, I would have to make market because if we get some measurement, I have to be fast. Let's see what the 15-second chart is doing. Okay. That's what I talked earlier about. We could do an inversion right now, but for now we're not over the equilibrium of this fair value gap. So until we haven't, there we go, we step through it. Why isn't it visible? It is. We stepped through it. We made an inversion here. As long as we don't close it right now with our next candle. Um, and yeah, let's see. Let's see how price is doing. I mean, we have a breaker here. It's a high, low, higher, higher, and then we go lower. So this is basically a breaker. But we have no gap. It's closed right now. Let's see. We touched a breaker. We in fact touched the breaker here. And now I want to see some heaviness for going into the trade. So let's see. Let's see. Price had a pretty strong reaction on the fair value gap low, which is also our first presented fair value gap. So it's now really depending on how price is reacting here. This is not an inversion level, so we couldn't care less about this one here, but this one is important though. Reaction is pretty strong. So now it's depending if we leave this one to like 3 upside and retest it and go higher, then I would go in the first fair value gap. And the other way around as well. If we go below this one and right here, I would go short. There we go, we're above it. Now it depends. Like I want to see it going to it again and then smashing higher. It could go without me as well. Let's see how much is this in terms of range. 20 to buy. 20 seconds left. Let's assume we buy somewhere, I don't know, here. Stop loss should be here. take profit can be here. So now I will do my stop loss here and my entry. It's depending right now on how price is reacting. I have to otherwise it's not working, right? I have to log in on the other one as well to set a trade. Yeah, and it's not working because of multiple tabs. Okay, I try to take the trade on another window so you can see it here, but so you don't see this window here, but it's somehow it's not working because you can't log in at multiple tabs with the same account. And I have no idea how to do that. So yeah. So basically, price is consolidating in a rather small range here. So for right now, I have no idea what to do. But maybe that's it. Maybe that was our trade for today. Maybe we get no other entry. But I would like to see price going higher and then going lower. Would be pretty cool. But first, it has to take out some buy side after before I consider taking any trade. But you know what? Come on. What if? Um, no, but if we go to the NQH, 2025, is it? No, NQM. QM 2025. I look if there is, it's somewhere a breaker, but it's not. Mm, But this could be some kind of a divergence. It seems so. On the If we go low right now, we have a divergence between the Nasdaq and the S&P. Oh, that would be cool. Give me some measurement of heaviness here, and I will immediately go short with this. But I need some sign. Let's see if I could do that. Mm, would it be possible for me? Come on, why isn't it possible? There we go. Would it be possible for me to do that with the NQ or only with the micro? So let's say, where could we enter? We could enter here. I guess I would use this one. We got a high, a low, a higher high, and now we go into a lower low. So the retest of this, but my stop loss would need to be here. That's 860. That's way too much. So I would need to stick to that one. So that would be something around 400, I guess. Mm, If we do it here, and stop loss should be somewhere here. It's 320. Yeah. Okay. Looks good for our divergence. Would be cool. Would be really cool. I would like to see that. But to be confirmed, I would need some heaviness in price. I would not go in right now just for the sake of going in. And I'm still thinking this buy side is giving me a headache because I do think we will take it out. It was rejected on the half point, which is normally a bullish sign. S&P is also strong. The Dow is also strong, so maybe we will um, destroy the divergence now, go higher. I do think that, in fact. I would take that. I will take that long. I will take that long as soon as we. Um, it's a high. No, wait. It's as soon as we touch this here. I will go long. As soon as we're above it, I will retouch it with my stop loss here. Let me make a limit order. Oh no, that was close. That was the wrong one. I want to make it here, um, not on Nasdaq itself, but rather on the. Mhm. Oh man, that's pretty weak. It's a pretty weak level here to reach for, and I do think we will not come over this, which would be here. Hmm. It's not a good risk to reward ratio here. Absolutely fucking not. So yeah, I will wait until we hit the opening range gap, and as soon as we go into this fair value gap, I will go long. If we don't, if I miss it, and if the price will go without me, I will not do anything. Um, like if right now we don't retrace, I will stay out. Oh hell no, we have this fair value gap here, so yeah, there's no way around. If we close this here and we go back into this fair value gap, I will go long, and my stop loss would be here. So yeah, if price retraces and gives me an entry on this fair value gap here, I will enter. If not, I will stay outside on the sidelines and just watch price. And it seems like price will not give me an entry, so I'm good with it. I'm okay. Like this is not so bad to me. Um, and I will not go in or considering going in anymore as price is reaching this level here. Like if we reach this level before this level, I will not do anything. So let's set a buy order and let's see. Let's see. I hope we don't smash lower. Basically, what I want to see, hold on, I'll make this one like that. Basically, what I want to see is price reaching into this fair value gap here. That's a bit too much. There we go. Reaching into this fair value gap here, and as soon as it does that, I will look at, or I wanted to go higher, but yeah, let's see. It could also just go into this fair value gap here and then smash higher, but I would not take that. That would be like that would be too much of a risk then. My risk to reward wouldn't play out anymore. So yeah, I would be fine with it. Maybe it will not go to my entry. Let's see. Would be pretty cool if we would be filled, but it's not a need. But I feel we go up there to the buy side because it would make sense. It would absolutely make sense to take this out. I don't think price will let this stay open. Yeah, but it looks like that price will go without me. As soon as it's reaching that level where the um, line is right now at 2140.5. I will not. I will delete my limit order because that would be the first um, buy side to reach for, and yeah, I wouldn't be interested if we um, reach this level already. So let's see. I hope we catch my entry. Would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. Well, hold on. This one is the buy side where if it's reaching it, I will delete my limit order. That's pretty slow. It's pretty slow, man. But it feels only like this, right? So we're about to reach this level. That is here also fair value gap on the 15-minute. So for now at least, this one isn't. So it's way more probable that we will hit it around here instead of there. How much in terms of risk is this more? No, I will take that. And if I get filled, it's fine. And if not, it's fine as well. Oh, hold on. I think we reached it, or not yet. Not yet, but we will. Falling short of it right now, giving me my fill. Oh, that would be so amazing. It would be so cool, but it will not do that, I guess. I don't think it will do that. Would be really cool. Would be really cool. Hmm. It's basically this one here, but yeah, that's higher. Also in the NQM, NQM 2025, NQM 2025. And that would be cool if it would give me my fill right now. That would be pretty amazing. Let's switch this one to 5 minutes. Where is our 5 minute triple gap? It's here and the low is here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. It could happen. It could happen. This is the level. We don't see it go above it. And we come on, hit it. So that's it. I'm out. That was my lowest hanging fruit for today. So I'm not interested anymore in taking something else. All right, let's see. I will stick with you um, until 11. So maybe we get a nice short to the downside because I do not think we will go way lower. I do think we will um, retrace at some point, and I would take it. I would absolutely take this short. To be honest, it's an absolute counter trend trade, but yeah, I would take it. Absolutely. So basically, where is this level right now? Uh, no, that's wrong. We need this one here. Oh no, that copied the wrong one. That's why I can't see it. Right. Yeah. We need this level here, which is, come on. This level here. Oh, I'm so stupid. It's unbelievable. This level here, but we need it here. All right, and this level is this one here. That was a pretty cool long. Um, let's see, maybe we can catch the. But it took already out the whole sub. Why should it go down? It also closed the gap. This is the low with 1602.25 and 604. So that's lower. We could reach for those equal lows. Come on. There we go. So maybe we reach for high prices though. Nice price action today. Still, it's amazing. It's amazing. Even aftermath. If you look at that, we touched this. We immediately. That's what I wanted to see. Oh, that's what I mentioned. Like that's what I want to see. Immediate reaction and then go higher. Simply beautiful. It was absolutely. It would have been absolutely smart to enter somewhere here and these fair value gaps here and to just long like something like, let's put it that way, something like maybe in the, so we go lower, okay, we touch it, we see we have a displacement, we lift for value gap, maybe in this one here, stop loss below this one, take profit somewhere here would be, yeah, it would be 1 to 1 win risk to reward, but it would be still be cool, would still be nice though. So if you get some strong displacement, really strong displacement to the downside, before taking out this high, like I don't want to see this high being taken out again. Um, I just want to see a huge displacement, maybe in the macro, 1050 to 1110. I would go short. I would take this one 100%. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe until here. That would be good. But as I said, I don't want to see the high being taken out because otherwise I would be out. Let's see. But there are a few levels on the upside, and they could be interesting for the NQ. So mm, it wouldn't be a miracle, or it wouldn't be something unpredictable if it would go higher. It's absolutely like I expect price to go higher. I can imagine that. We still got like 1.5 minutes left until our macro starts. And I do hope I will see some kind of a displacement to the downside. Like it would be cool. But I wouldn't enter right now. Just if we go short below it, I want to see a huge display. I want to see something. I want to see something with the gap, not with the gap, but with the body lower, like some real displacement, maybe in the size of this candle here, closing below, retesting, and then I would enter short on this level here. But yeah, it has to go lower, otherwise I won't do shit. Here I want to um, text. Yeah, that's better. Come on, give me some displacement here. Yeah, I need more. I need more. Bring it down. No, that's not enough. That is not enough. By far, it's not enough. Mm, would I? Yeah, we're still above it. Like if we go now with displacement lower, it would still be okay for me. As long as we don't wick below this low here, um, I'm fine with, as long as we close above it, or as long as we don't wick through it, I'll be fine to be to see the next candle doing it. Touch the SMA from below. Come on, right now, give me some displacement. Yeah, there we go. Give me displacement. Come on, give me displacement. Don't close like this. Don't close like this. It will close like this. Well, that's it. I don't think I will. Oh, nice, nice. That could be something. Let's see how price is reacting if we touch this one. but I have to make it with my manual. Mm-mm. That's nothing. That's nothing. I don't want to be involved in that. I don't want to be involved in that. I don't think that we will go lower. So we have the macro. We're 3 minutes over. I would take that, but I would put my entry. Hold on, I need a 15-minute chart. And I need this fib here and here, let's say. 50% would be, oh, where is the number? 50% would be around, yeah, let's say 2060. 2060 would be around here. Yeah, my terminus would be here. If we go lower, like something like, it would be something, let's enter here, let's put a stop loss, let's say here. My take profit would be here. And if this is not 1-to-1, at least, I would not enter. Where's the level? Yeah, it seems it could be above, because here is a strong level of resistance. And yeah, maybe we will reach this one, and then yeah, like I don't expect a retracement much under or below 50% of the price lag. So when do we hit it? Level is at 192. Have we already hit it? No, 192 should be the level. I expect some resistance away from it. There we go. Let's see. Let's see how price is reacting here. If it just goes higher, I'm definitely out, and I will don't take anything anymore today. In aftermath, it was really beautiful. It was really beautiful. We took the sell side and then we jumped to the buy side. So basically, it was perfectly fine and it was perfectly delivered. Perfectly delivered as well, because we touched the first presented fair value gap from above, just touched it gently and then moved higher from it. So yeah, Um, the signs were here. We cannot deny that. I consider pyramiding in here. If we make this to an inversion and we go below it, I consider going short inside of the inversion and pyramid here, like go in here with two, adding here two more, and terminus somewhere here. 60 was yeah, somewhere here 65 to be sure, with the terminus there. Let's see, maybe we do that. And it would be the perfect time right now for a retracement inside of this range. Do we have any news today anymore? I don't think so. Mhm. No, that's it. With news today. Mm, 11:10 I will close the stream because I do not think we will. I will not go into any trade after that. I mean, to be honest, we made our trade today, and to be fair, it should be enough. So probably we better leave it with good. Mm, and don't take any more any trade today, no more. Let's see. Let's give this dog something because he's so. Hey, 7 minutes left. If price shows us some willingness to go lower, I will enter. For now, this looks good, and could be an inversion here, but let's see. Yeah, it's not really looking like it's one go lower, so I will not. I don't think that I will take it, at least not if it's not showing me some weird strong move lower. So price is not really giving me the signs that it wants to go lower. And that's why I will not take a trade anymore. I will stick with my trade I did today. That's the kind of displacement I want to see. If price is closes, if price is closing now, um, I would enter. I would consider pyramiding here, but I will just enter if we close below it, and if we re-enter into it. Uh, let's see. It's basically enough for me. And here would be my pyramiding. Let's see if price wants to give me another entry or not. I'm okay with missing it in case it's not going that high. So it could also just go into this fair value gap here and just fall short then before it gives me some entry, like right now, for example. It could also just smash higher and take me out. I mean, it's also a high probability there. But it looks like we get filled. There we go. Oh, that's strong. Again, something I don't want to see. That's amazing. That's really amazing. But I stick to it because I do think we will do a retracement here. But maybe I stick with a lot size of 2 and I don't pyramid. And I will consider pyramiding after I'm a bit more experienced and not now. Hmm. I really consider closing the trade right now. First of all, because it's not my pattern, and also because I don't have a good feeling with this. And yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. Even if it goes in my direction, I'm absolutely fine with not taking this trade. It was my pattern. I have to accept it. I have to learn it, and it's not my time as well. I have to watch it right now. If it does um, what I think it would do, then I can consider going long in future as well. Going short in such situations in future as well. But um, for now, I don't need this. I really don't need this. So let's see. It's a reversal again, and it's a reversal after we took out a low. So I'm not sure if we really want to go down there or not. And that's why I don't feel really confident with taking this short. Looks good though. We respect the lower side of the fair value gap with inversion, and we trade lower. So maybe it was right. Would be pretty cool for future trades to see this a few times playing out and then use it. This level here was my. Hold on, let me make the levels correct so I know in aftermath what I did here. All right, I will end the stream here. I will end here and not look where price will go. Um, or you know what? I will wait because I have to anyway. I have to make my journal, so it's okay. Um, Oh, my exit was, just to be fair, my exit was here. Would have been here. That's would be rather, it would be stop loss. So price is still pretty heavy. It's respecting these levels. Like nothing take. I would take, but yeah, let's make a screenshot. I will put this into my journal. Oh no, I don't want to put it this way. I need to make it white. There we go. Hold on, I can make it full screen so it's a bit better. And Veliga from the 27th of March. I do have to take care in future about the things I say, because I said if it's touching it and goes away from it, I want to enter. I said it from the downside, but it should also be needed from the upside. So this is the second trade. It was just with, I don't know, 20 bucks, I guess. And that's the 15-minute, and we do also need the. Can I somehow? Come on. This is here. It's this one here, isn't it? Yeah, and I do need the opening range here to make this understandable. It's here, and where is now 30 here? Okay. So that's the opening range gap here. We reached 50%, and I entered here and exited here. Hold on, where was my entry? It was at put this in a 1 minute. This here. So my entry was at 20,048. 20,048. Even? I'm not sure about that. 0.25. 68.25. There we go. Was my entry. Mhm. 67 was my stop. That's not true. Something is. Yeah, it is. 68.75 was my stop loss. 68.75 was my take profit. And take profit. And this here would have been my stop loss, like the low of it. Stop loss. There we go. I need a long position. There we go. Should be a 1-to-1. All right, I will end the stream here. Honestly, it makes no sense for me to stick with it. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow at, let's see, maybe a bit later, maybe at 9. No, I will be there tomorrow at 8:15 as well, because we get core PC, and maybe Price is giving us again such a nice price action here. So let's see. I will talk to you tomorrow. I wish you a nice trading, a nice day, and I do hope you make some profits. So have a nice day. Bye bye.